Hello everybody, today you're here because you wanted to learn about a $25,000 loan that you can get for your business with no credit check, but we're actually going to talk about a lot of other great things that this same company has to offer to you. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit and business expert, and if you want to learn more information about different ways to fund your business from grants or loans and credit cards, or if you want to learn how to build up your personal credit, or if you just want to learn different business strategies and ways of making money through business, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to turn on notifications so that you can find out about any new videos I drop just like this one. And also, if you do need help with your personal credit, right now I still have that ebook for free that you can download. It's the top credit questions that I've been asked over the years, and you can download that, get a lot of your credit questions answered, and hopefully be able to improve your personal credit just based off of that alone. But just to get back to the information that you came here for, we're going to talk about this company that is called Jeeves. Now, Jeeves is one of the newer fintechs that is out there, and basically they're giving you an alternative way to be able to get funding for your business. One being that $25,000 loan with no hard credit check, but they do offer another product, which is a corporate credit card. And if you are unfamiliar with this company, just know that they do have a lot of notable investors, some being from the NBA, as a part of their investors initially. So this isn't just some random company that just popped up all of a sudden. But basically, what you want to know is about this corporate credit card is what we're going to talk about first anyway. So the corporate credit card, as you can see, is available in multiple countries. So it's not just available in the US, as you just saw there, the UK, America, Mexican, European startups, Brazilian startups, Canadian startups. So they are in a few different countries, and that really opens up the door to a lot of you guys that are trying to find funding for your business and maybe don't have the credit that is needed to try to get some funding. They offer options for corporate credit cards which do not report to your personal credit, which is what makes it different from traditional or regular business credit. But they have no fees, no interest, and no personal guarantees. So all that being said, it's not going to report to your personal credit. You're not personally liable for it because there is no personal guarantee, and of course no interest, no fees. That's also great as well. Now you can see down here they are made for global startups, and you can see some of the different places that they cover right here. So Mexico, Colombia, Canada, Chile, United Kingdom, Europe, and of course the USA. So those are the different areas that they're going to cover. You can see here that they have no restrictions. You can pay for anything anywhere with this card, pay any invoice electronically. We handle your expense reconciliation, and you can pay us back in your local currency. So no limitations on where you can actually spend money with this card. And they also give you the option for on-the-go card. So basically you can create a virtual card outside of the physical card that you may have. So that allows you to not have to input your card number in places where you may want to do a trial or where you may not be familiar with the company. So you want to use a virtual card versus using your regular card. And in addition to that, you can also get up to 4% cash back on all of the transactions that you might be making using this card. So that's a very, very good benefit. But now let's go ahead and check out that loan that most of you guys are really interested in. As you can see here, with that loan, you can get 1 year of revenue upfront instantly. So convert your monthly revenue into upfront capital. Say hello to growing your business faster than ever before. No dilution of crazy terms, fast underwriting, and money in your local currency. So whatever country you're in, you can get the money in your local currency. Now, what you would do is fill out this form here. In order to get your information sent over to them, you will end up having to do a application with them after you talk to them on the phone. So they'll talk to you, get some information, and then you'll take the application process from there. But you do have to just submit your information to them. And they say right here, for a limited time only, early users get up to $25,000 of grow capital interest free. So I mean, interest free on a loan, that's not something that's a usual thing that's going to be out there. So that's a very good benefit that they offer. So now with what they're offering, you get money in your bank in as little as 24 hours. So basically they get the money to you really fast once you've been approved for this. As your company scales, so does the amount of money that you have access to. So the more revenue you're making, the more money you can possibly get from them and get capital in your local currency with no FX fees. And the cost of capital is going to be cheaper than banks and traditional financing that you might be used to. Now, some other things things that are important that you should take note of is that, right here they say lenders and banks don't understand you. We do. So basically they're tailoring their offerings to you as a business owner, especially if you're a new business owner. You can see here they have flexible repayments. With that, you can schedule your repayments on a flow that kind of follows your revenue to make sure that you are able to actually repay this based on your cash flow. It's for all sizes of business, so it's not just for small businesses, it's not just for big businesses, it's for all sizes of businesses. But the loans do start at $50K, so you would have to at least get that much or take out that much in a loan. Again, instant financing, 24 hours and hassle-free, no covenants, no tranches, no warrants. So they give you the money without any headaches that you might have to go through traditional banks or lenders. So again, with this loan, you can get up to a year of your business's revenue up front. I do believe you have to be making at least $10,000 a month to try to qualify for funding from them, so keep that in mind. But again, it's not going to be a hard credit check, so you don't have to worry about an inquiry that will affect your credit score hitting your credit. They offer no personal guarantee, so you don't have to worry about these business items reporting on your personal credit, weighing down your personal credit. And this isn't going to be based on your business credit score either. So basically this is something that's going to be primarily based on your income that you have coming into the business. And again, if you guys want to try to apply, there's going to be a link to them down in the description, and make sure you fill out this form so that you can get on their radar. They can reach out to you and you guys can schedule a time to talk so you can see about getting your funding. Now, hopefully you guys found this account interesting and intriguing and you're going to go ahead and try to apply for it. Or if you have actually applied for this loan before, make sure you leave a comment down below to give us some extra insight on it. But I thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.